Alright guys, now we're gonna unbox this guy right here. We just unboxed that guy, and it should be exactly the same thing, just different colors. So we can see the color difference between that dark gray and this guy. Now the reason I didn't get the silver one is because the silver one's the most normal one. Silver has always been out there from past generations, and with this generation, this is the new color you guys get to choose from, which is the gold and then dark gray. So there we go, finally open the box. I'm gonna take this apart. I'm gonna show you what's inside of here. So we do have our charger cable, which is USB-C, so you guys can see. All right, so these two charge up your Mac. It's the new connection, USB-C. I'm gonna put that back. And inside of here, just like the other Mac, we got our wall charger, which is very similar to the iPad charger. Similar, but not the same. That just ripped apart. Pretty sure it wasn't supposed to just rip apart. Anyways, right here we can see our connection. All right, so it's USB-C again. And there we go. So pretty simple, light, just like the iPad one. And you guys get obviously the manuals plus the stickers that always come with these Macs. So here's the manual, where the stickers, here are the stickers. All right, so they're gold-ish this time. And now let's take a look at this MacBook. All right, so in the video, yes, colors do change with video a little bit. They will also look different on the website than what you actually see live. Obviously, video is closer to pictures. So here's the Mac. All right, so just around it, you guys will notice there's only two USB-C ports right here. There's nothing on the back and nothing on the other side. Well, except this for your headphones. And then on the back, there's nothing, some ventilation right here. And that's it. You guys can see that's fairly thin. Just gonna open this guy up so you guys can see. Now it should power on as soon as I lift up the lid. However, it does not have any electricity, so it's not charged up. So here's a better look so you guys can see the color. Keyboard does depend what language you guys pick. Obviously the keyboard can change. For those of you in the USA, you guys can pick the US keyboard or any other one. So if you guys speak another language, you guys can pick something else. So here you go. All right, so that's the one MacBook right here. Let's just put that right there so you guys can see it. And here's the other guy. So here's gray. So that's how these guys look. You guys can see that they're exactly the same size. They're the same thing. The only difference is the actual color. Now, yeah, this guy tried to turn on. This guy didn't. That means he has 0 battery. But once you turn up the lid, it's supposed to power on. And that's how these guys work, by the way. This right here, just to let you guys know, it is for your fingerprint. However, it is a button as well. So you guys can power it up just by touching there. Or if you guys have to force shut down any Mac, the newer Macs that have this Touch ID, you guys can just hold on to that button until it shuts down. Obviously, that's only forcing it if you guys have to do that. Other than that, I can't really tell you much about this. It's just an unboxing video. I will be doing, like I said a video plus a review so you guys can see these MacBooks in action. And that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.